So I don't know if you know yet. We won best of, see, here we go. Now the week was October 21st to the 28th. Now I know it's a little bit late, okay? So you'd be like, well, that was too late, I can't see it. You still can, okay? Independent.com, okay? That's Independent's website. And then you look up the best of, and it'll be like probably on their first page, go through, you'll see this. There it is. We had a little bit of fun doing this. Look at that. There's our building and everything right there, you know? And you see us holding out little cars. That was a kind of a cool little thing we decided to do. Now let me tell you this about the photographer. He's one of the best, most professional photographers I've ever worked with. He had great ideas, and he shot all the pictures for everybody. We won this award, and you know, on a serious note, it means really, really a lot to us to be best of anything in Santa Barbara, because I know Santa Barbara is a really small town, and a lot of the times we just did word of mouth, so it means a lot of us that people cared so much to, first of all, nominate us, and second of all, we won. You know, we've got enough votes to win. So thank you to everybody who voted for us. We really, really appreciate it, and it is a very big honor you saying that we are your guys' number one. Thank you. And we've been around for 40 years, you know, and one of the biggest sense of pride that we get is having customers that say, I can go here and I can go there with getting another car, but I choose to get a Honda, I choose to get a Toyota because I can bring it to you, and that means a lot to us. We just want to say thank you, and on a serious note, it was an honor and a pleasure to be nominated with everybody that got nominated. We hope to be nominated again maybe next year, and we'll have another competition because it's healthy for everybody, you know. It kind of lets you know where you stand, right, with people. I'm not saying with like, you know, with other businesses, but it lets you know where you stand with people. And I'm glad that we're close to people's hearts, you know, like we mean something to people. If you think about Muñoz Auto Repair, I hope that one that it comes to mind is friendly, reliable, and honest, because that's what we shoot for, and that's what we try to be.